Today's hack is going to be about sharpening the blades of the blender. Quite commonly used, very efficient, very quick and very fast way to blend different kind of food items. There is not much of a hassle. You don't have 2-3 attachments to fix, 2-3 attachments to wash. No, just one attachment of the blender to be fixed to the machine part or the electrical part, so that you can blend it, and that's the same thing you can detach and wash. It's a very useful thing, especially for those who are always on the go, always on a run, busy life. It's very useful for them, even for others as well. If you all have kids in the house, it's very good to blend, to make mashed food, mashed potatoes. It's very useful in different kind of ways. Continuous usage of the blender tends to get the blade of it dull, and how to sharpen the blades is what I'm going to share with you all in today's hack. Here I have taken washed and dried eggshells, and I will put this in the jar which I use for the blender, and thereafter I will just keep on turning on the blender little by little till I feel that it's in a powdered state. Till that time, and thereafter I can test the blade of the blender if it is good. If you'll notice, there are particles which have fallen off while using the blender, and this will happen. That's why you need to cover it with your hand on top of the jar covered. And I'm just testing the blade. It is quite good after this process. Now for the other method, you'll need like this kind of rock salt. You'll need to take a good quantity. Here I have just taken a little because I need to just show you all as an example, but you all will need a bigger quantity. And thereafter you'll need to take a plastic bag or a cellophane cling film wrap, because what you'll do is put the jar inside this bag in this way and see that it reaches to more than the top of the jar. Now you'll put this hand grinder into the jar like this and catch the top of the bag. Salt particles could jump out and hurt you physically. That's why it's best to catch the plastic bag in this way, so that you are not hurt by any particle out from the blender. And there we are done. You can test the blades. A quick hack, a useful hack. I'm sure many of you all must have seen the hack which I had given earlier of sharpening the grinder blades. It's on the same lines. For those of you all who have not seen that or who want the link to visit that video, I will attach it on top. It's the same hack, but only thing here you need to be a bit careful, for which I have shown what you can use in order that these things might not hurt you or harm you in any way. Do let me know in the comment section if you all like the hack. For those of you all who are visiting my channel for the very first time, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. For those of you all who have any suggestions or requests, please do feel free to send us an email, or you all can even post it in the comment section. That's all on today's video of how hacks. I'll see you next time on another new episode with another new hack.